Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or integrate YouTube playlist in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write embed press. So this is plugin embed press we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see embed press, so click on it. So we are in plugin setting, and then you see global embed iframe, so you can set width and height according to your requirement, and then you see shortcode, so click on it. So we are in shortcode setting, and then you see paste your link. Now paste and then click on generate, and then you see embed press has direct integration with classic gutenberg and elementor editor. So you can generate code and then copy link, go to page anywhere you want to paste, and then click on update, and then you see page updated done. Go to page and refresh the page, and then you see YouTube playlist. Now you see 600 pixel width and height, so you can set width and height according to requirement. So this is a playlist. Now you see playlist WordPress. Now back to setting, and then you see general, so click on it. So for global embed iframe, so you can set height and width according to requirement, and then click on save. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.